Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Exp25 Excel chapter 4 mid-level 2 Riverwood Realty. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction you can see the project description. So there is nothing to solve in project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well so that you can understand this assignment. Once you will go through this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment because you will have an idea about the assignment. So just read this project description because there is nothing else to do in project description section of this assignment. Project description section of the assignment is just a brief explanation of this assignment. Okay, then we have the main part of the assignment, that is the steps to perform to complete this project, or steps to perform to complete this assignment. So total steps to perform or total questions to solve in this assignment are 13. So we are supposed to solve 13 questions to get this project done for the summation. So in this video I will solve step by step and you are supposed to follow me if you want to get those steps done for you. So you are just supposed to follow me. I will be explaining and I will make you learn this assignment. I will make you learn all of the office tools and you are just supposed to follow me. So now let's move to first step or first question. Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 4 mid-level 2 homes. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So this is the Excel workbook that we're going to use to solve this assignment. I have already downloaded this from Pearson dashboard and you can download this Excel workbook from your course or Pearson dashboard. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 is just saying that we are supposed to download and open this Excel workbook. So there is nothing else to solve in first step of the assignment. So let's move to second step. Freeze the pane so that the column labels do not scroll off screen. So you can see that we have headings in the first row of the worksheet. When we scroll the worksheet down, this first row is not static, and it is moving along with the other data. But we are supposed to make this first row static so that the column labels shouldn't move. So for this purpose, we will go to View tab, go to Freeze Pane and click Freeze Top Row. So now you can see a horizontal line, that means we have frozen the top row of this worksheet. Now when we scroll the screen down, the first row is static and it is not moving, and that is all required in step number 2. Step number 3. Convert the data to a table and name the table sales. So now we are supposed to convert the this data into a table and then we are supposed to give a name to the table. So click anywhere in this data, click Insert tab and click Table. Accept default setting and just click OK. So now you can see that we have converted the data into a table. Now we are supposed to give a name to this table, and for this purpose just go to table design, then go to table name and type sales, because we are supposed to give a name that is sales to this table. After typing this name, press enter. So now we have given a name to this table, that is sales, showing in the table name, and that is step number 3. Now let's do step number 4. Apply purple table style dark tan to the table. Now we are supposed to change the design of this table, style of this table to purple table style dark tan. So for this purpose, go to table design, and that is the purple table style dark tan. Dark tan. This one, purple table style dark tan. This is the table style that we are supposed to use. Purple table style dark tan. Just select that one. So now you can see that we have changed the style of the table to purple table style dark tan. And that is all required in step number 4 of this assignment, where we were supposed to change the style of this table to purple table style dark tan. Now let's do step number 5. Remove the duplicates record from the table. Excel should find and remove a duplicates record. Now we are supposed to remove the duplicates record from the table. So just click anywhere in the table, go to table design, and then click remove duplicates record. Then click OK. Now you can see that this is saying a duplicates value found and removed. 81 unique values remains. It was already mentioned that we will find a duplicates record. So we have found the a duplicates record. Click OK. So now we have removed the duplicates record from this table. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far. And now we gonna do next step of this assignment, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is saying add a new column in column I and name days on market. So we will go to column I in I1, and here we will type days on market. Days on market. After typing this, just press enter. So now we have added a new column, that is days on market. Okay. Use unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on the market. So now we are supposed to calculate the days on the market in column I, and the days on the market will be equal sales date minus listing date. So we will type equal sign first, then we will select sale date minus listing date. That is unqualified structure, sales date minus listing date, and press enter. And that is all about step number 6 of this assignment. Okay. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 7. Apply a total row to the sales table. Now we are supposed to apply a total row to the sales table. Just go to table design and then check the box for the total row here. Now we can see the total row at the end of the table here. Okay. Now set the selling price and days on market totals to average. Selling price column is here. For this we will select the average. Selling price average, and the days on the market we will also select the average. So we have 72.18 average days on the market and 369,596 average selling price. So that is all about step number 6. So in this video I have solved 7 steps for you. That's mean I have solved more than half of the assignment for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You need to contact me either through WhatsApp or email and you need to hire me. I will do all of your Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Excel assignment, quizzes, simulation, exam, etc. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, etc. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution.